How to optimize your Costco Citi Card for gas and grocery purchases. Let's get started. If you spend a lot on gas, restaurants, and travel, then it's hard to beat the Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi, which offers a high rewards rate in all those categories. When you are buying gas, the Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi is a good card to use because it earns 4% cashback on gas and EV charging purchases on up to $7,000 of a spending a year. That's an impressive rate even when compared with the best gas credit cards on market. Using the card for your restaurant and travel spending is a solid choice because it earns 3% back in both of those categories with no spending cap. That's also a hard deal to beat even among the best credit cards for restaurant spending. And if you typically do your grocery shopping at Costco, consider that many of the best credit cards for groceries earn far more than 2% back on those kinds of purchases as long as you buy them at a supermarket, not at a wholesale club. Whatever card you are using on actual Costco purchases, make sure it's earning you the most cashback possible. The card offers cashback rewards on gas purchases, so be sure to use it for all of your fuel needs. Keep in mind that there may be limits or caps on the amount of cashback you can earn in a given period, so check your card terms. Since the Costco Citi Card is co-branded with Costco, you will earn cashback rewards for all purchases made at Costco warehouses, including groceries. Plan your grocery shopping trips to Costco to take advantage of this benefit. In addition to it, the Costco Citi Card also offers cashback rewards for other grocery purchases, including those made at supermarkets and grocery stores. Be sure to use your card whenever you buy groceries to earn cashback rewards. By following these steps, you can optimize your Costco Citi Card for gas and grocery purchases and maximize your rewards and savings. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.